Aduh, tong sampah penuh lagi. Hari-hari ada je sisa makanan. Kulit telur lah, kulit buah lah.
Betul ke kat rumah ni? Bau apa ni, Mai?
Yelah, Bai. Sekarang kalau panas sikit je dah berbau.
Ya, diorang kat belakang rumah aku pun sama. Lalat makin banyak sekarang.
Kadang ramai je orang yang bakar sampah sebab sampah diorang ni dah banyak.
Betul tu. Bila bakar sampah, asap pula macam bakar udara. Susahlah macam ni kalau banyak sisa makanan.
Apa yang berbusuk ni?
Korang, apa yang terjadi di sini? Macam biasalah, bau sisa buangan. Hari-hari buang kulit telur, kulit buah.
Dia macam makan udara, tahu tak? Dia serabut sangat sekarang ni kita. Kita nak buat apa sekarang ni dengan sisa buangan dapur ni?
Weh korang, aku ada satu jalan penyelesaian. Apa kata kalau sisa makanan ni kita jadikan baja?
Hah? Baja?
Don't nobody else make me feel like. Don't nobody else make me feel like. Don't nobody else make me feel like. Don't nobody else make me feel.
Is the innovation descriptions. Compost Kit is an eco-friendly system designed to convert kitchen waste into useful organic fertilizers. It produces both liquid fertilizer and solid compost fertilizer, making it a sustainable solution for reducing food waste while supporting plant growth. This innovation promotes environmental sustainability by recycling organic waste into valuable resources. Besides, Compost Kits provides a dual fertilizer productions, which is a liquid fertilizer used for watering trees and plants. Solid compost fertilizer applied directly to soil for plant growth. This system maximizes output by producing two types of fertilizers. Liquid fertilizer provides immediate nutrients, while solid compost improves soil structure and long-term fertility. Compost Kit use layer filtration and decomposition systems. Compost Kits operate through 4 natural layers, each with a specific function. The first layer is cold, used to trap odor and harmful gases, also reduce excess moisture. Cold acts as a natural filter, ensuring the composting process remains clean, odor-free and efficient. The second layer is a kitchen waste, includes food scrap, fruit peels, vegetables and dry leaf, serve as the main source of organic materials. This layer provides essential nutrients needed to produce high-quality compost, making use of everyday household waste. The third layer are soil and sand, to support decomposition and filters liquid fertilizer. Soil contains microorganisms that accelerate decomposition, while sands improve filtration, ensuring cleaner liquid fertilizer outputs. The fourth layer is a fertilizer water chamber, to collect a liquid fertilizer at the bottom and connected to a pipe for easy extractions. This layer stores the liquid fertilizers, making it convenient for users to collect and use without disturbing the composting process. Compost Kit goes through 4 stages of filtration and decomposition naturally without the need for chemicals or electricity. This system relies on natural process and make it environmentally friendly, cost-effective and safe for daily use. Next, we move to the problem segments. The first problem is increasing food waste in households. Many households generate large amounts of kitchen waste such as food scraps, fruit peels and vegetable leftovers, which are often discarded without proper management. This waste typically ends up in the landfills, contributing to environmental pollution and efficient use of natural resources. According to a global report, households contribute to about 16% of total food waste worldwide. Next, environmental pollution and other issues. Improper disposal of organic waste leads to unpleasant odors, harmful gas and excess moisture, creating unhealthy and uncomfortable surroundings. When organic waste decomposes in landfills without oxygen, it produces a methane gas, a harmful greenhouse gas that contributes to climate change. Lastly, limited access to organic fertilizer. Many people rely on chemical fertilizers due to the lack of accessible, affordable and easy to produce organic alternatives. Organic compost improves soil health and reduces dependence on synthetic fertilizers, which can negatively affect soil quality over time.
My name is Nusara Humaira binti Muhammad Aris. For this slide, I will explain the value proposition of our Compost Kit. This product helps convert kitchen waste such as fruit peels, vegetable scraps, and eggshell into useful organic fertilizer. By using this kit, households can reduce food waste and help minimize environmental pollution. In addition, the composting system is designed with odor control, making cleaner and more comfortable to use at home. It's compact and user-friendly. These also make it suitable for daily use. The Compost Kit encourages a sustainable and eco-friendly lifestyle by promoting and responsible waste management. It also supports urban gardening and small-scale farming by providing an affordable source of organic fertilizer. Besides that, this product offers educational value by increasing awareness about waste management and environmental sustainability. Overall, the Compost Kit is a practical, affordable, and beneficial solution and everyday composting. The next slide shows the target market for our Eco Compost Kit. Our primary user are rural households, home gardeners, and small-scale farmers. This group needs an easy and cost-effective way to produce their own organic fertilizer. For secondary user, our target includes school and educational institutions, eco communities, and urban farming groups. They can use this product for educational purpose as well as sustainability activities within their communities. In terms of market needs, consumers today are looking for easier and more effective kitchen waste management solution. There is also growing demand for affordable organic fertilizer and environmentally friendly product. Therefore, the Eco Compost Kit is able to meet these needs while also contributing to environmental sustainability.
The novelty of Eco Compost Kit lies in its innovative 2-in-1 composting system that are able to produce both solid and liquid organic fertilizers simultaneously within one compact system. Another unique feature of Eco Compost Kit is its multi-layer natural filtration technology. The system integrates charcoal, kitchen waste, sand, and soil into one complete decomposition and filtration system. This layered structure creates a cleaner, more controlled, and more efficient composting process without requiring electricity or advanced machinery. At the top layer, charcoal functions as a natural odor absorber and moisture controller. This helps reduce unpleasant smell, excess moisture, and messy decomposition during composting process. Below the charcoal layer is the kitchen waste layer, which contains organic waste such as vegetable scraps, fruit peels, and eggshells. These organic materials undergo natural decomposition inside the system. And the soil layer support microbial decomposition because it contains microorganisms that help break down organic waste naturally while retaining nutrients during composting. Meanwhile, the sand layer improves drainage and filtration by preventing excessive moisture accumulation, and this helps produce cleaner liquid organic fertilizer naturally through gravity flow filtration. Eco Compost Kit also designed to be compact, easy to maintain, affordable, and suitable for village household. The system uses recycled and low-cost materials, making it more environmentally friendly and practical for communities with limited waste management facilities. The most importantly, Eco Compost Kit was developed specifically to solve real problems faced by village communities such as unmanaged kitchen waste, unpleasant odor, insect infestation, and air pollution caused by open burning. Therefore, Eco Compost Kit combines compost production, liquid fertilizer collection, odor control, natural filtration technology, sustainability, and community-based waste management into one complete and innovative system. This slide shows the comparison between existing compost system and our innovation, which is Eco Compost Kit. First, in terms of output, most traditional compost systems only produce solid compost, while Eco Compost Kit produce both solid compost and liquid fertilizer simultaneously. Next, in terms of filtration system, existing compost system usually have limited filtration. In comparison, Eco Compost Kit use a natural layered filtration system for cleaner and more efficient composting. In terms of odor and moisture control, traditional compost kit bins often produce unpleasant smell and excess moisture. However, Eco Compost Kit controls odor and moisture naturally and through proper filtration and drainage. And for size and management, many existing compost systems are bulky and difficult to maintain, whereas Eco Compost Kit is a compact, practical, and easy to manage. In terms of energy and equipment, some compost systems require electricity or advanced machinery. Meanwhile, Eco Compost Kits operates naturally without electricity, making it more cost-effective and environmentally friendly. For cost and suitability, Eco Compost Kit use recycled low-cost materials, making it more affordable for village communities. Lastly, in terms of environmental impact, Eco Compost Kit provides a cleaner and more sustainable solution for household waste management compared to existing compost system.
Our innovation, the Eco Compost Kit, was developed to help solve kitchen waste management problems faced by people living in villages and rural communities. In many villages, food waste such as fruit peels, vegetable scraps, and leftover food is usually thrown away openly or mixed together with household rubbish. This situation can cause unpleasant odors, attract flies and insects, and contribute to environmental pollution if the waste is not managed properly. This shows that proper kitchen waste management is becoming increasingly important, especially for communities with limited access to organized waste disposal systems. Because of this issue, our group created the Eco Compost Kit as a simple and practical solution that can help village communities manage kitchen waste in a more sustainable way. Through this innovation, kitchen waste can be converted into useful organic compost and liquid fertilizer instead of simply being thrown away. For example, fruit peels and vegetable scraps that are normally considered useless can now be reused to support gardening and small-scale farming activities. One of the main contributions of our innovation is that we use recycled and reusable materials to develop the prototype. This not only supports recycling practices and reduces unnecessary waste, but also makes the innovation more affordable and sustainable for village households that may not have access to expensive waste management equipment. Besides reducing waste, the eco-compost kits also helps create cleaner and healthier surroundings by reducing bad smells, insects, and unmanaged food waste around the house. At the same time, the organic compost and liquid fertilizer produced can help villagers reduce spending on chemical fertilizer for plants and farming activities. In addition, this innovation also increases awareness about environmental care and sustainable living practices within the community. Overall, the Eco-Compost Kit provides a simple, affordable, and environmentally friendly solution that transforms kitchen waste into something useful for village communities. Our innovation is currently at the functional prototype stage. The Eco-Compost Kit was successfully designed and developed by our group as a practical solution for managing kitchen waste, especially for people living in villages and rural communities. During the development process, our group focused on creating a system that is simple, affordable, and easy to use for daily household activities. One of the unique features of our innovation is that the prototype was developed using recycled and reusable materials. This approach supports sustainability concepts while also helping reduce production costs, making the innovation more suitable and accessible for village communities. The Eco-Compost Kit includes a filtration and drainage system that helps separate waste materials during the composting process. The drainage pipe at the bottom allows liquid fertilizer to be collected easily, while the filtration layers help reduce unpleasant odors and support a cleaner composting process. To test the effectiveness of the innovation, our group conducted testing using actual kitchen waste such as fruit peels, vegetable scraps, and dried leaves. The successful testing process proves that the Eco-Compost Kit is functional and suitable for practical household use. Based on the testing results, the prototype successfully produced solid organic compost and liquid organic fertilizer. These products can be reused for gardening and small-scale farming activities, especially in village communities where planting activities are common. The testing process also showed that the innovation can help manage kitchen waste in a cleaner, safer, and more organized way compared to simply throwing and waste into rubbish bins. Although the Eco-Compost Kit is still at the prototype stage, the innovation has strong potential for future improvement and commercialization. Overall, this innovation demonstrates how recycled materials and kitchen waste can be transformed into a practical and sustainability environmental solution for the community.
Commercialization is very important because it allows Eco-Compost Kit to create a larger environmental, social, economic impact within communities. By commercializing the product, more village people can reduce kitchen waste, disposal, reduce pollution, and minimize open waste burning activities. And Eco-Compost Kit also encourage sustainable living practice by promoting recycling, organic fertilizer usage, and environmentally friendly waste management. And in addition, the innovation helps village households reduce spending on chemical fertilizers because users can produce their own natural compost and liquid organic fertilizer. Commercialization also creates a future opportunities for collaboration with school environmental awareness campaign, sustainability programs, and community agricultural projects.
Hi, with me again. Now I would like to talk about the business model canvas. First thing first, let's go through the customer segmentations. The target customers include households, especially as co-concerns of families who want to reduce kitchen waste and adopt sustainable practice at homes. Urban gardeners and plant lovers can benefit from producing their own organic fertilizer for their plants. Small farms and community gardens are also important users as they generate organic waste and you can use an easy composting system to naturally improve soil health. Next, we will move on to the value proposition sections. Eco-Compost Kit converts kitchen waste into both a liquid and solid organic fertilizer, providing a practical and sustainable solution for waste reuse. It helps reduce household waste and minimize environmental pollution. The system includes an odor control feature using a cold filtration, ensuring a clean and comfortable user experience. Additionally, it's designed to be easy to use, compact and eco-friendly, making it suitable for everyday use. Next, we jump onto the Chinese sections. Eco-Compost Kit is distributed through local markets and gardening shops, allowing customers to easily access and purchase the products. The product is also promoted through environmental campaign to increase public awareness about composting, waste reduction, and sustainable living. This channel helps reach target users effectively while encouraging eco-friendly practice in the community. Now, we take a look on the revenue streams. Revenue is generated through the sale of Eco-Compost Kits per units to household and gardening users. The product is offered an affordable estimated selling price of Rm25 to Rm40, making it accessible to a wide range of customers. Through these sales, Compost Kit promotes sustainable and eco-friendly living while creating business opportunities in green innovation. After that, we will explore the customer relationship sections. Compost Kit provides clear product guidance and simple instructions to help customers use the composting system effectively and confidently. The product's clean, safe, and eco-friendly design helps build customer trust and increase user satisfaction. In addition, Compost Kit promotes environmental awareness and sustainable living through community engagement and eco-awareness activities. Next, we are going to talk about the key resources sections. Compost Kit use raw materials such as coal, containers, soil, sand, and pipes to support the composting and filtration process. The innovation also relies on knowledge of the composting process to ensure kitchen waste is effectively transformed into liquid and soil organic fertilizer. Next, we will discuss the key activity sections. Compost Kits are focused on product design and assembly to ensure the system is practical, durable, and easy to use. The composting efficiency is tested to ensure the waste decomposition process works effectively in producing organic fertilizer. In addition, marketing and awareness campaigns are carried out to promote the products and educate the public about sustainable waste management. Customer education and support are also provided to help users understand and use the product properly. Besides, Compost Kits collaborates with environmental organizations through key partnerships to promote sustainable waste management and environmental awareness. Partnerships with gardening stores and suppliers help improve product accessibility and support the supply of essential materials. In addition, cooperation with local communities help expand the product reach, increase public's trust, and encourage eco-friendly practice within society. Lastly, we will focus on the cost structure sessions. Compost Kit involve production costs such as materials and labor needed to develop and assemble the products. The business also requires marketing and promotion expenses to increase public awareness and attract customers. In addition, distribution and logistic costs are important to ensure the product can be delivered efficiently to the customers. Understanding these costs helps maintain sustainable pricing while ensuring product quality is preserved. The estimated product cost for Compost Kit is around Rm50 to Rm25 per unit, depending on the quality of material and production scale. The costs include raw materials such as containers, coal, soil, sand, pipes, and labor for product assembly. This cost structure allows the product to be sold at an affordable estimated price range of Rm25 to Rm40 while maintaining product quality and sustainability.